Welcome back, ocean explorers. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of the sea, where danger lurks around every coral reef and rocky crevice. Get ready to encounter some of the most deadly and fascinating creatures that call the ocean their home. The first animal is the lionfish. The lionfish are a group of venomous fish generally native to the Indo-Pacific area. They are mostly found in the warm, tropical seas and may hunt in the very shallow waters or reach a depth of moderate waters. Their diets generally consist of shrimp, crabs, and other small-sized invertebrates. Their venomous spines are on the dorsal fins and along the anus of the fish, which serves as defense mechanism. When it comes to realizing its threat or attacking a corner, a lionfish will deal with a pain-caused sting to humans or other animals. The venom is a powerful neurotoxin that can cause severe pain, swelling, nausea, and vomiting. On rare events, severe reactions such as paralysis or respiratory distress may happen. The next animal is the Portuguese man-o'-war. The Portuguese man-o'-war is weird as well as a troublesome creature. It is often found in the tropics and particularly in the warm waters such as the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Ocean. The nematocysts that are present in their long tentacles are the venom glands, which are used to paralyze the prey. The sting includes shocking internal inflammation and rashes as a result of an intense pain that lasts short. Sometimes, especially with people who have allergies or who have had multiple stings, the venom can become toxic and lead to symptoms like nausea and cardiac problems. In these cases, emergency medical care is required, particularly if symptoms are dangerous. The next animal is the great white shark. The great white shark is frightening because of their size, strength, and reputation for now and then attack on human beings. Great whites are apex predators which are very critical and important in the marine chain ranking. They prey most on marine mammals, such as seals and sea lions. Although great white sharks end up in human-related attacks, instances of these types of attacks are rarer. Although fatal attacks are rather rare, they can be very dramatic, which is the main reason for the unsustainable fear. Sharks might endanger people due to mistaken identity and curiosity, among others, or behave in a territorial or scavenging way. In the past year, there were only 14 deaths. The next animal is the stingrays. The stingrays are a group of cartilaginous fish, making them rather similar to sharks, and they share a cartilaginous internal structure with them. Rays have a favorable living environment that covers coastal waters all over the world, especially the areas with shoal, sand, and mud bottom. The most remarkable feature of stingrays should be their venomous sting, located on the tail. When threatened or cornered, a stingray has a chance to swing its tail towards predators or seeming threats. While most cases are not detrimental to humans, occasionally, it can kill someone. Nonetheless, the sting from the stingrays is probably not life-threatening. However, it causes significant pain and swelling and causes 17 deaths per year. The next animal is the pufferfish. The pufferfish that is referred to as a balloonfish is an integral member of the species called Tetraodontidae. They are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world, inhabiting coastal regions and coral reefs. Pufferfish are omnivorous and feed on a variety of prey, including small fish, crustaceans, mollusks, algae, and marine vegetation. Pufferfish are infamous for their ability to produce toxins, particularly tetrodotoxin, which is a potent neurotoxin found in their internal organs such as the liver and skin. Toxic flesh of these fish serves as an eliminating agent that warns predators and prevents them from having a potential meal because they learn to avoid this kind. The pufferfish causes around 50 deaths per year from their poison. The next animal is the striped pyjama squid. The striped pyjama squid, an interesting species located in the waters surrounding Australia. This species is dominant in shallow coastal water regions, specifically rocky reefs and seagrass beds. Being one of the solitary and nocturnal predators, it hunts mainly small crustaceans and other invertebrates. The beak of the striped pyjama squid is endowed with venom glands, which are created to inject venom into their prey. The main function of this venom is to freeze small crustaceans and other mobile prey. Then the squid can slowly eat them. In the past century, more than 70 people have died from its bite. The next animal is the beaked sea snake. The beaked sea snake, or commonly known as hooded sea snake, are among the deadliest sea snakes in the world. The habitat range of the beaked sea snakes mostly thrived in the coastal waters of the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and southern Red Sea. They are highly aquatic and rarely come on shores. The beaked sea snakes spend the majority of their lives in the sea. They feed primarily on fish, such as eels and small reef-dwelling fishes. Victims of beaked sea snakes might quickly die if antivenom is not administered instantly in an adequate concentration. Beaked sea snakes are to be blamed for numerous snakebite fatalities within their territory. Some stable symptoms after a beaked sea snake bite are nausea, vomiting, headache, and diarrhea. The next animal is the sea cone snails. The sea cone snails are hunting snails. Their razor-sharp tentacles and the paralyzing venom they carry create all the harm. These animals are found in the tropical and subtropical waters, more specifically in coral reefs and shallow coastal areas across the world. These animals are proven to be highly efficient with their venomous proboscis. The cone snail hunting system works by using a harpoon-like tooth to inject venom into their prey. The snail's venom causes the victim to almost instantly lose consciousness, permitting the snail to devour its prey slowly. They can also potentially threaten human life too. The main symptoms that accompany the toxin are severe pain, swelling, muscle paralysis, respiratory distress, and eventually death. The next animal is the stonefish. The stonefish is one of the world's most poisonous fish in the world. They are found in the Indo-Pacific zone, which mostly includes the coasts of Australia and Southeast Asia. The stonefish are, usually, single hunters with nocturnal activity. They are ambushers who calmly wait for their prey to come closer before lunging forward to grab them with their circular-shaped jaws. They have very toxic dorsal spines regarding the release of their venom. The venom comprises proteins as well as peptides that are responsible for causing unbearable pain and other incapacitating symptoms to humans. Stonefish stings prove to be extremely crippling, and it could be fatal. Symptoms include difficulty breathing, sweats, giddiness, nausea, and even muscles paralysis. The last animal is the blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is a top contender for the title of the most poisonous creature found in the depths of oceans on the planet. They are equipped with a venom which, if envenomation occurs, can be fatal to human beings. Blue-ringed octopuses normally inhabit shallow waters such as pools of high tides, coral, or rocky bottoms. The venom found in the tissues of the blue-ringed octopus have mostly tetrodotoxin, which is a neurotoxin that paralyzes its prey. Tetrodotoxin is a powerful toxin that blocks sodium channels, and this is followed by paralysis, and it might result in respiratory collapse. Secondly, the beak is the main tool of the octopus that is used to inject the toxins in its prey. Therefore, there is no specific antivenom for the blue-ringed octopus. And that's a wrap on our adventure through the realm of dangerous sea creatures. From the stealthy predators of the open ocean to the venomous beauties lurking in the coral reefs, we've witnessed the wonders and perils of the underwater world, so make sure to like and subscribe.